Nag-iisip ba kayo ng papanoorin sa mga bahay nyo this Christmas? Ito ang mga must-watch films para sa inyo. Ang 10 best Christmas movies of all time. Silipin natin yan sa report ni MJ Marfori.
Extra special ang Christmas celebration, lalo kung may kasamang movie marathon. Mas damang-damayan kung ang pinapanood mo ay pang-Pasko rin. Gaya ng best Christmas movies of all time ayon sa isang user ng Internet Movie Database o IMDb. Pang-10 sa listahan ng horror comedy na Gremlins.
It's incredible. And probably
Tungkol yan sa kakaibang pet monsters na nanggulo sa isang town.
they might even replace the dog as the family pet.
I'm Santa Claus. Oh, you don't believe that?
Para naman sa inner child natin na naniniwala kay Santa Claus. Ito ang 1947 film, Miracle on 34th Street.
I've got a feeling he is Santa Claus, Mother.
Next dyan, ang comedy na National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
Merry Christmas!
Family-themed ang pelikula about sa bakasyon gone wrong. Landing on the 7th spot mula sa North Pole.
You look like you came from the North Pole. That's exactly where I came from.
Ang 2003 iconic film na Elf.
Then yeah.
Isang oversized elf na searching for his father sa New York.
Santa's coming to town! Oh my God! Santa here? I know him. I know him.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Pasok naman sa top 6 ang 1965 full animated film na Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
And say it glows. All of the other reindeer.
Swak sa mga chikiting at feeling chikiting at hearts.
You'll go down in history.
Mga kapatid, Jania Lipon po, laging maging updated sa latest sa entertainment and lifestyle para maging una sa balitaan. Bisitahin at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.